front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Voice Recorder app that's already on your device. If you never used it before, hit allow and allow while using in all available pop-ups and tap on the red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow one more time, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top on the right. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it on the track, and click on play button on the left. And to end it and save it, square one on the right. Now name it. Hit category if you want to add one or pick one, and select save. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. You can tap on transcript if you want to see your text on the screen. You can tap on skip silences, repeat, and even change speed. To manage more options, click at the top right corner on those three dots and check out all of those. You can also go back and hold your recording here to manage all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!